Hey there, this is Lucas from Purple Room Marketing. We're a digital marketing agency, and I was making some research today and I came across your business. So I figured I'll shoot you a little video giving you 3 tips on how to start beating your competition online. And if you like what you see, I would appreciate if you get back in touch with me and we can talk more about it. But anyways, I wanna keep this short and nice and short, okay? Because I don't wanna waste your time or mine either. So let's go on with it. I wanna talk about content, citations, and backlinks, which are the three main things that Google uses to rank a website on the top. All right. I see that you don't have a website. So the idea would be making a website and use some content. The content is all the text, pictures, how the pictures are saved as, and uh, and also what is behind the pictures. All those things are things that Google can read, the search engine can read to understand what's the website about and what services are you offering. Okay, for that they like to see a lot of keyword oriented and rich authoritative content. Okay, so that way when somebody looks, for example, for Podiatris Miami, like I did here, you see this, right? And then you start seeing all the results over here and over here. So Podiatrist Miami would be one of the keywords that you would be targeting, for example. So when somebody looks for Podiatrist Miami, your website appears here on top. When you have the right content and with the right keywords, you would be ranking up here. Okay. Second thing is citations. When you look for a service like this, a lot of times you see a map with some results as well that are different than these ones a lot of times. You get in the top here by having more citations than your competition. Citations are basically your business name, address, and phone number listed in several directories all throughout the web with the same, as I said, same business name, address, and phone number that you have on Google. Okay, that way, when you have more than your competition, automatically Google will start putting you higher and higher until you are all the way in the top right here. All right. The key is look how many citations the competition has and then add another 50 or 100 more. So they never are able to catch up with you. When they start putting new ones, we start putting new ones and so on and so forth. This is something that not a lot of businesses check on a regular basis. And the key to always outrank the competition that way is once you do it, you keep checking it very often. So as soon as you see they're putting more, you add more. Okay. That also would help you with the content to rank over here. All right. Content and backlinks though are the most important things to rank on the organic results. The statistics say that most of the people that look for a service, they click on the first three results on the first page of Google. And when the business is on the first result on the Google Map pack and on the first result here, it gets the vast majority of the traffic just because the people trust more a business that Google puts on the first on both places. Okay. That said, a backlink is basically your website mentioning another website that when somebody clicks on it, it takes them back to your website. And with that, for example, I'm gonna show you right now. Uh, Podiatrist Miami, you see the first result is this doctor right here. If you go to his website, that's a regular website, good looking website, some pictures, some content, and everything is saved properly and targeted properly. So when you put his website here in Ahrefs, which is a tool that we use to kind of see how the website is doing online, all the statistics and stuff, we can see that he has 24 referring domains that give him 61 backlinks. All right. So all the backlinks are not created equal. So sometimes you don't need more backlinks than them to outrank them because some backlinks are weaker than others. For example, it's not the same like a backlink, a mention on a website that is on the same niche. Let's say another doctor, a medical website, a medical article that mentions your website or yourself. All those backlinks are very powerful for Google. But for example, your website mentioned in a forum or in a Facebook page that is not really that is not really on the same topic or about the same things, they don't take it as important or as powerful. Okay. Then he's ranking for 165 keywords that's give him around 310 people every single month going through his website. So these are around 310 potential patients. Okay, so think about that. If you're this number is people that you're missing by not having a website. Then, if you click on the keywords that they're ranking for, is Podiatris Miami, Food Doctor Miami, so on and so forth. Okay, as you see here, you see how many times a month these terms or phrases have been searched. So it's a pretty good amount of people looking for these services, and this guy is always on the first position. Okay, and again, like building a good website, put a keyword rich, authoritative content with a healthy, strong backlink profile and a good number of citations would get you over here on the top of the MacPack and on the top of the organic results, and you would be able to be pulling the 310 people, if not more, on organic traffic as soon as you're ranking. All right. So if you're interested and you think that I have what it takes to help you get in there, just get in touch with me. We'll talk about it. If not, just take these 3 tips that I just give you, apply it yourself. And the only thing I ask for is a little comment or review on the video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.